Okay, so yeah, I think I've more or less confirmed what I thought. I'm literally, there's no fasteners, there's just those 3 prongs, and yep, all I'm doing is prying it off. So I think I'm hung up on that last one on the one side. Try to get at it from the other end. Yeah, sorry about the Michael J. Fox video, but I'm trying to do this for the first time right now, so there we go. Just pops right off. And it's got the little prong in there that sticks in the motor, so it looks like we can just transfer that if we need to. I still don't know what about the mechanism isn't working. I still have to test that out, but at least that way I know, you know, I can take that, transfer it from that assembly to this, no problem. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in my terminal drawer and find some MetroPack 280s and shove them in there so I can just put some, you know, battery leads on there and run the motors. I'm not even going to try to hook up the harness or do anything like that with the computer and everything. And then we'll see what's actually broken and should be able to transfer it and fix it.